Hello, Michael Morioka here with Tritone Picks. Today I'm going to discuss major and minor pentatonic scales. Seems to be a little confusion as to how a major scale and a minor scale can be the same, but for right now we're going to discuss the minor pentatonic. I'm going to start this here in the key of A, and I'm going to play position number 1. So this is the name of the note A. 5th fret, 8th, 5th fret, 7th, 5th fret, 7th, 5th fret, 7th, 5th fret, 8th, and 5th fret, 8th. That's position number 1, minor pentatonic. Now, this next position 2 is very important. Make a mental note of this. Position 2 minor for A, or any key actually. Let's try this one. This is the 8th fret, 10th. 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10. Remember that position 2, okay? Position 3 for A minor pentatonic goes like this. 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 9, 12, 10, 13, 10, 12. Okay, position 4, 12th fret, the double dots. 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 13, 15, 12, 15. And the final position, position number 5, A minor pentatonic, goes like this. 15, 17, 15, 17, 14, 17, 14, 17, 15, 17, 15, 17. After that, you would just continue and play position number 1 all over again, but you would start on the 17th fret. Which is the same as this guy, up an octave. Before we go into the next section and the next video, it is very important that you know 2 things. Obviously, these 5 positions are very important. So don't move on too quickly. This is not a 1-week lesson. This may take you a while, may take you a couple of weeks, may take a couple of months. But know these 5 positions very well before you go to the majors. If you don't know these very well, it's going to get very confusing. So we don't want to do that. Remember, wherever you started this position 1, that names the minor key, not the major key, but the minor key. So we did A, and we started on A. Stay tuned for video number 2. We'll discuss the major pentatonics and why they're the exact same thing as the minors. Till next time.